This video contains scenes that may upset or offend some people, so discretion is advised. It is a hunting video.
Here and Gray, we are hunting for fallow deer, and if you have 10 minutes time, you can jump in the back of the Polaris, come with us and enjoy this hunt. Right. Beautiful deer.
Good size.
Nice. Good size. Well done. My brave ancestors guide this deer to the north, to Cape Reinga, for his soul to depart New Zealand. Your way, your way, your way. Close. All right. Look at this crazy boy. He's got some stuff on his antler.
see that spiker.
Silly boy.
Fucking idiot.
Good looking spiker. Get it, take it. Move. Don't move. Stay still. No, he's a yearling. Yeah, definitely. He is definitely yearling.
That's a good spiker.
That's the very first one, is it?
Yes.
So I think he's standing up. Yeah, I can't see his head. I can only see one of them. What's a fucking spiker? There he is. There he is. There he is. Below. Yeah, bottom one. He's gone out.
I'm on him. I'm on him.
You heard him. You heard him. You heard him. You heard him. My shoulder. I don't know where he went.
Definitely was hit. No doubt about it.
I can see him, he's not down, he's just rolled down.
We're gonna cut this deer and give the meat away. Hope you enjoyed this hunt.
And we hope to see you in New Zealand sometime.
Kakitano.
And he says we'll see you later.
All right.